Federico Renolfi. I am from Argentina. I work for INVAP, which is a company which manufactures radars, different kind of radars, air traffic control radars, military radars, and our latest addition are weather radars. The company is located in Argentina, the south of Argentina, Bariloche, but we have other offices in different parts of the world, such as the United States, Australia, Netherlands, some countries, some other countries. Are we ready? I've been working at the company for the last 20 years. I have background in electronics. I'm an electronics engineer. I have also worked with software and as a cyber consultant. I've been involved with the radar division of INVAP since the beginning for more than 20 years. And I've been in charge of the engineering team for the development of the Argentinian weather radar. So today I'm going to talk about what we did in Argentina in the last 15 years, focusing mainly on the result on the last 10 years. Okay, some technical issues. Our client are the water authority. The Spanish name is Subsecretaría de Recursos Hídricos de la Nación. This is our real customer, but our key user are the National Weather Services. So there is this sort of triangle. We work in close coordination with them. We meet periodically. We've been doing this for many years in what we call Mesa SINARAME. Mesa stands for table. So this is a round table where there are many institutions, representative of many institutions. There are people from the water resources, hydric resources, National Weather Services, and also the academy, such as University of Buenos Aires, University of Córdoba. I am part of this group. We work there not only on the day-to-day advance of the ongoing, the future, where we want to go, what are our goals. As you will see soon, SINARAME, it's a long-standing program. In this presentation, I decided to start by the last part for the part of the capacity development program that adds more value to the final user. So as you will see in this slide, this is a summary of the advances or the achievement our National Weather Services have made in the last 10 years. This particular this particular plot, it's improvements in early warning, right? So what you can see is that we have more warnings, and the surface, the coverage area of the warning has been getting smaller and smaller. And how did we do that? Is what this talk is about. This is also from our National Weather Services. This is the result of a poll, a survey they did on the users to measure satisfaction and accuracy precision of the forecast, and the ACP is aviso de corto plazo, the early warnings. So to do that, we decided in Argentina, we decided to first start investing in infrastructure, because, you know, it's kind of like the egg chicken program. You don't hire people if you don't have radars. You don't buy radar until you have the people. So we decided to do that by building a big network. This, sorry, this was the situation in 2014, and we plan to have 21 radars, operational radars, by the end of this year. This is a full C-band network of dual polarization radars. Argentina is a very big country. We are ranked number 7, I believe, in surface. So we knew from the beginning we were going to need a lot of radars, but we are not as rich economically speaking. So we, again, knew from the beginning that we will need to build it in several states, in several phases. At the moment, we are almost finishing stage 3. And as I said previously, we are defining, drawing the next stage in what is called Mesa SINARAME. This is the radar. Part of the SINARAME program was the design of our own radar. INVAP is a government-owned company. We also do other kind of big complex technological projects. We design and manufacture nuclear reactors for research, specifically for the radioisotopes that has medicinal uses. And we also have a satellite division. The radar division is the newest one. We design almost every part of the radar. You can see here the antenna dish, the radome, and the pedestal. Of course, we have electronics engineer. We designed the digital receiver, the analog receiver. The only piece we're buying at this moment is the transmitter, which is magnetron transmitter. We also have a software division. So our radar processor, our product generator is made in-house. We started implementing long-known algorithm from, you know, the literature, such as Dus and Cernik, Dobian and Cernik. But right now we are using proprietary algorithms, which we develop in close collaboration with researchers of our universities, and also the people from our national weather services. The program, the first stage of the program, also involved the assimilation of the oldest radar. We used to have three radars, which were modeled outside of Argentina. Those are connected to the network because we didn't want to lose that investment of our country. Those radars and the new ones are all connected to a central location where everything is operated, monitored, and all the data is archived. This is located at the offices of our National Weather Services in Buenos Aires. INVAP, the company I work for, provides also the service of operation and maintenance and calibration of the radars. This is the first radar. This is the the location of the first prototype, actually is running a fully operational radar, the same version of radar, the same model we deployed all over the country. But this site is mainly used for training and testing of new technologies. All the upgrades, we test them here. Software and hardware upgrade are tested here before they are put into operations. Again, that is done in close collaboration with the research institutions in Argentina. We routinely monitor the operation, and we give samples of the data to our researchers for validation. This is the radar located in Córdoba. This is the first site. This belongs to the stage one. It's located inside the university, where we are, again, as part of capacity development, we are forming our future professionals. This is one of the last, Ermine 12. This is near the sea. With this, we are reaching about 60% of surface coverage. As you can see, there is still a gap in the lower part, which we plan to fill with the next stage. This is just a couple of photographs of our radar assembly line in our factory in Bariloche. These are for the second stage and the third stage of 10 units. This is a kind of a summary of the other activities we perform as part of this program. I am a guest lecturer in the University of Buenos Aires. I have been teaching about weather radars for the last 5 years. And we have also participated in many events and congress and workshops, international and national. Again, in cooperation with our users, our institutions, because there are many institutions involved with it under the umbrella of SINARAME. There are more than 30. These are the main ones, the ones that I personally work for, but there are just too many to mention here. This is the last slide. As you may guess, there's not enough time in 15 minutes to tell you all that we have done in the last 15 years. And I say 15 years because the first contract was signed in 2011, while the first operational unit was put into operation in 2015. But please feel free to hit to our box where we can discuss further. Thank you.